Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, August 9th, 2026 at 10:20, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So in today's Day 1 Outlook, there we go. We have a slight risk that encompasses western North Dakota and northern into central South Dakota. We have another slight risk that encompasses southeastern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, central to northern Illinois, central to northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and southwestern Michigan. We've got a margin of risk that encompasses extreme western northwestern Pennsylvania into central Ohio, central Michigan, central Indiana, central Illinois, central Minnesota, going into northeastern Missouri, central to western Iowa, southern and southwestern Minnesota, southern Wisconsin, southwestern and central Minnesota, going into eastern and western South Dakota, and going into western North Dakota as well, eastern Montana, and going into western and northern Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. So we have those areas under a margin of risk for today. We also have a margin of risk that encompasses parts of southern Arizona, and another one that encompasses northeastern Georgia, the upstate of South Carolina, western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, and southern Virginia. So we have those areas under a 5% margin of risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. We have a 2% tornado risk today that encompasses eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, central and northern Illinois, northern Indiana, and northwestern Ohio, and extreme southwestern Michigan. So we have those areas under a 2% for today. We have Chicago, Milwaukee, Fort Wayne, Aurora, and Rockford under the 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. Moving into the wind risk for today, we have a 5% or 15% hatched that encompasses central South Dakota. We have a 15% normal that encompasses western North Dakota and northern South Dakota. We have another 15% that encompasses southeastern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, central and northern Illinois, northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and southwestern Michigan. We have a 5% hatch that encompasses parts of eastern South Dakota. We have a 5% normal that encompasses eastern Minnesota, western North Dakota, western and eastern South Dakota, northeastern Nebraska, southern and southwestern Minnesota, central to western Iowa, northeastern Missouri, central Illinois, central Indiana, central Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania, and southern and central Michigan, and central Wisconsin. We also have a 5% over here that encompasses parts of southern Arizona, and another one over here that encompasses eastern Tennessee, northeastern Georgia, the upstate of South Carolina, western North Carolina, and southern Virginia. So we have those areas under a 5% for tomorrow. Oh, wow. I didn't even notice this. We have a margin of risk for parts of northern Maine. So northern Maine, you also have a margin of risk today, meaning you also have a 5% wind risk for today. So there you go. Northern Maine also has a 5% wind risk for today. I didn't even notice that. So we have Mitchell, Pierre, and Huron under the significant severe. We have Chicago, Milwaukee, Toledo, Fort Wayne, and Madison under the 15%, and Phoenix, Detroit, Indianapolis, Charlotte, and Tucson under the 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 60 to 80 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 15% normal, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. For the small 5% hatched area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts also possible today. 5% normal, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatch that encompasses western North Dakota and northern South Dakota. We have a 5% normal that also encompasses western North Dakota and parts of central South Dakota. We also have a 5% that encompasses eastern Montana, western North Dakota, much of South Dakota, western and northern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, southwestern Minnesota, central Iowa, southern Wisconsin, central to northern Illinois, northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and southwestern Michigan. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. We have Dickinson, North Dakota under the significant severe, Dickinson, Pierre, and Williston under the 15%, and Chicago, Fort Wayne, Des Moines, Aurora, and Rockford under the 5%. There went the reset. So for the 15% hatched area today, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch downward hail possible today. 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch downward hail possible today. 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch downward hail possible today. So please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, the summary for today, it says scattered damaging winds may occur today into this evening from southern Minnesota and eastern Iowa eastward across parts of northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, southern lower Michigan, northwest Ohio, and northern Indiana. Damaging winds and hail are expected across parts of the Dakotas. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even though you may be under a margin of risk today, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And I will have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.